Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy and one of the reviewers here for the Wig Studio One team. Today I'm bringing you a review of a wig called Confident Flair by Gabor, and this is in the color medium brown. This is a basic cap construction with basic cap features. I'll show that to you when I show you inside the cap and outside. It will have some permatease. It is minimal, but it will have permatease here. It doesn't feel very dense at the top, so that's really nice. Has lots of beautiful curls, beautiful curls, and great styling opportunities with this piece. Now this piece is available at wigstudio1.com. They provided me with this piece. Down below is a link to how you can get Confident Flair at wigstudio1.com, as well as check out our Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and the links to myself and the other reviewers. We'd love to partner with you and connect with you. Confident Flair is going to be a very affordable piece, and I think for the curls that she offers and the layers she offers, she makes a very classy piece. This I can see putting up in a ponytail, into a claw, getting that off my neck as well. Cute ponytail you can do with this piece. I would pull down a little bit of baby hairs. You can even cut those in if you want. Now this has a full fringe. I have a very short forehead, so if you're not new to my channel, you already know that. So usually when I do a bang piece, I have to push it back. I do have it pushed back, but I might have to do that more. You could also trim these. So this is a heat-friendly wig, and it actually has some instructions that I recently saw on a piece by Raquel Welch, the Bailage Beauty. This has the same instructions. It says do not brush. So it wants you to use your fingers for these curls more so, and to not brush when it's wet. So you just want to be very careful with this piece not to use a comb when it's wet, and when you do wash it, let it hang dry and let those curls form. Very beautiful style. I can see this going into a ponytail, into a half up, into a claw for a formal event. Again, I just have my bangs kind of crisscross there so that they're not hanging down in my eyes the entire video. However, I do kind of prefer it with a full fringe. The look, the overall look, I do. I just need to cut those. So beautiful style, very low density. I would say, as like, I was expecting it to be very heavy up here, and it's not. Now I will still say it's medium density down here because of all the curls, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair. And when you get up here, it definitely doesn't feel like that medium density. So they did a great job of bringing this beautiful curly style, but not having it overloading your head and your scalp where it looks like a helmet hair. Does that make sense? This is going to have permatease though, but honestly, kind of shocking of when I put my fingers in there. I'm actually pleasantly surprised that it's not much like you would expect, but there is going to be permatease because this is a basic cap construction and it's a curly wig. So it's a double whammy of when to expect permatease. So but I think many of you that like this style, you know, in order to have this style, there is going to be some permatease in this style. So let us know your thoughts of Confident Flair. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team at support@wigstudio1.com. We'd love to connect with you. You can also join our Facebook group, which is a private Facebook group called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We hope this video was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.